Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your name, and today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and start your day on a healthy note, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. So let's get started. Number 1 on our list is the classic combination of oats and berries. Oats are rich in fiber and keep you feeling full for a longer time, while berries are packed with antioxidants and provide a burst of natural sweetness. Combine half a cup of oats with your choice of milk or yogurt, and top it off with a handful of fresh berries. It's a delicious and nutritious way to kickstart your day. Number 2, we have a protein-packed breakfast option: scrambled eggs with veggies. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, and adding vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and mushrooms not only enhances the taste but also boosts the nutritional value. Just whisk a couple of eggs, sauté the veggies, and mix them together for a quick and easy breakfast that will keep you satisfied until lunchtime. Moving on to number 3, we have a delightful avocado toast. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats that promote satiety and keep you energized throughout the day. Simply mash half an avocado and spread it on whole grain toast. You can add toppings like sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of feta cheese, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze for an extra flavor boost. Avocado toast is not only delicious but also a great way to incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Number 4 on our list is a refreshing smoothie bowl. Smoothies are a fantastic way to get a variety of nutrients in one meal. Blend together a combination of your favorite fruits like bananas, berries, and mangoes, with a liquid base like almond milk or coconut water. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top it with sliced fruits, granola, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for added crunch and nutrition. It's a colorful and satisfying breakfast option that will help you reach your weight loss goals. Number 5, last but not least, we have a savory breakfast idea: a veggie-packed frittata. Frittatas are a versatile dish that allows you to incorporate a variety of vegetables. Simply whisk together eggs, add your favorite veggies like broccoli, zucchini, and onions, and bake it in the oven until golden brown. You can even sprinkle a little bit of low-fat cheese on top for added flavor. Cut it into slices and enjoy a protein-rich breakfast that will keep you fueled for the day ahead. And there you have it, our top 5 healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. Remember, starting your day with a nutritious meal sets the tone for a healthy lifestyle. Whether you prefer oats and berries, scrambled eggs with veggies, avocado toast, smoothie bowls, or frittatas, these options provide a balance of nutrients and flavors to keep you satisfied and help you achieve your weight loss goals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes.